What's up, everybody? Good afternoon. Beautiful day today. A little bit of overcast, but I've got a really cool car I want to show you guys. You saw by the thumbnail. Dude, it's a bagged Model 3. I have to show you guys. Okay, let's transport you there. Yeah. Oh. Hey, check it out. Oh, come on. Hey.
A little bit too close, buddy.
License and registration, sir?
I don't have any, sir. Sorry.
Okay, we just got up to the meetup spot here. Shady's gonna be up front. Casper is right there. Beautiful. I'm gonna go to a location right now to find some quiet spots where we can shoot some video. Look at this. In front of me? Look at this. Behind me? Oh, I'll show you guys some video soon. So you see those cops over there? Can you guys see them? I know it's super far. It's really, really hard to see. So the problem right now is we rolled up to the location, right? You see the crew back there? Rolled to this location, super sketchy. But there are 2 cop cars parked right here, and I'm like, damn it, we probably can't do photos here. I rolled up right next to them. I was just like, hey, is it okay if we take photos up here? And he was like, yeah, cool. Dude, awesome. He was like, cool. Like, yeah, like no hesitation at all. So I'm gonna park my car. I'm gonna go take pictures right now. All right, go set up pictures, dude, while I get my one wheel up. All right. What's up, bro?
What's up?
Your shit is so sick.
Thanks, man.
Cool. This thing is so silent. Let me introduce you to Casper real quick. All right, back on the one wheel, but this time in some sketch place right now. Here, I want to show you guys the car I'm with right now. 15 WRX. And here we've got a sick Model 3. Oh. Tell you guys I love this thing, but look at this thing. All right, guys, we're setting up photos right now. Oh, he's dropped it. Yo, that is so loud.
I know.
That is so cool. Coolest guys. Those guys are so freaking cool, man. I swear. That sweet mustache too. Dude. That would be sick. Here, I got a really pretty shot over here. Come over here. Super nice shot, look. The cool thing about the one wheel right now is I can hop on really fast, see angles, and then just direct them over to here. Right here. The booty, the 2 booty, and he's sideways too. Right? You see it? Oh, look.
Oh, yeah.
Dude, the one wheel I can move around quickly and see it. Yeah. Should've got one. Should've got one. Should've got one. Oh, look at that beautiful shot right there.
Joe, they know I don't play. Vodka and these girls, I don't ever chase. That's just how it goes, yeah, I shoot so straight. I've been on the road, I can't ever stay. Blame me for Joe, they know I don't play. Vodka and these girls, I don't ever chase. That's just how it goes, yeah, I shoot so straight. Shooting so straight though, came for my pesos. Shawty so bad, but my girl got a halo. We gonna play whoa. Me and my bros are connected like Legos. You went away, bro. I burn the cheese, now I'm stuck in like queso.
Okay, new plan. We're gonna be rolling up the bridge, or towards the bridge. And we're gonna get some really cool photos with him right there. It's a good thing is there's not a lot of traffic through here at all, so I'm enjoying it. Look at these guys. Woo-hoo-hoo. This is cool. Dang. That's cool. Got some railroad shots right down there. So we're gonna follow all the way down right now. Yeah. I am one-wheeling in the sketchiest locations right now. Going really mellow, super slow, but look at this. This setup will be really nice. You guys will like it.
You can watch me grow, 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 You can watch me grow.
Oh my gosh, look how close we got him. Yeah, keep going. We'll line you up on the dirt with him, so it looks like both of you on dirt. It's so violent. That's so violent. All right, so I'm gonna head up the hill a little bit early so that way I don't slow them down, but we've got about an hour before sundown, but once again, it's an overcast day, so the sun is a lot lower, or a lot, not as bright as today, so they're gonna meet up the hill. We're gonna go over here, try to shoot under the bridge. I think it should be pretty cool. There we go. All right, we're gonna try to get his rear end right about here for a really cool photo from shooting from this way right here. Straight, straight. How's that? Yeah? Okay.
By himself.
Yeah. All right, we shot this location, which is super cool, but we're gonna head towards the bridge right now, which is right over there. And the idea is to have him angled like this, right on the side between the yellow lanes. It's kind of dirty here, like the trash. So I want to try to get this really cool angle. Oh, that's so cool. Look at the bridge. Ah, that is awesome. Yeah. Yeah, that's cool, like right here.
I mean, we were just sitting back, you know, chopping it up, reminiscing about the good old days and all that. You know, tracking my roots, where I came from and where I'm going. But like I say, man,